Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the original new M238HCA L3B MV238FHM N20 LM238WF2 SSK1 LM238WF2 SSK3 LM238WF2 SSM1 LM238WF2 SSN1 MV238FHM M3 SSF1 SSK2 LCD display. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of letters and numbers, but trust me, this display is something special. First of all, let's talk about the quality. This LCD display is top of the line, with vibrant colors, crisp resolution, and a smooth refresh rate. Whether you're using it for gaming, graphic design, or just everyday use, you're going to be blown away by the clarity and detail. Not only that, but the original new M238HCA L3B MV238FHM N20 LM238WF2 SSK1 LM238WF2 SSK3 LM238WF2 SSM1 LM238WF2 SSN1 MV238FHM M3 SSF1 SSK2 LCD display is built to last. With durable construction and reliable performance, you can trust that this display will be a long-term investment for your setup. But wait, there's more. This display is also incredibly versatile, with multiple connectivity options and adjustable settings to customize your viewing experience. Whether you want to connect multiple devices or adjust the color temperature to reduce eye strain, this display has you covered. So, if you're in the market for a new LCD display, look no further than the original new M238HCA L3B MV238FHM N20 LM238WF2 SSK1 LM238WF2 SSK3 LM238WF2 SSM1 LM238WF2 SSN1 MV238FHM M3 SSF1 SSK2. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And if you want to get your hands on one, check out the link in the description below to purchase it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.